Leo in the Jungle. In the heart of a bright, beautiful jungle lived a cute little lion cub named Leo. He had a fluffy golden mane, big, curious eyes, and the tiniest roar you've roar. Monkeys giggling, parrots squawking playfully. The animals laughed. Poor Leo. He wanted a big roar like a real lion. Leo felt a little sad, but he had a big idea. "I'll go find my roar," he said. So off he went, padding down the jungle path, looking all around. Jungle sounds, soft footsteps, birds chirping. Soon, Leo met a wise old turtle named Tina, gentle plop of water. "Do you know where my roar is?" Leo asked. Tina smiled. "Sometimes, little one, you find your roar when you help someone else." Suddenly, Leo heard a voice. "Help! Help!" from a parrot. It was Pip the parrot, stuck in a bush, rustling leaves. Leo rushed over. "Don't worry, I'll help you." With a gentle tug, Leo pulled the vines away, leaves tearing softly. And out flew Pip, free and happy. Flap, flap, cheerful chirp. "Thank you, Leo," said Pip. And then, something amazing happened. A big, echoing roar. Leo found his roar. The animals stopped and stared. "Wow," said the monkeys. "Hooray, Leo!" cheered Pip, happy ending. Jungle friends together. From that day on, Leo the lion was known not just for his roar, but for his kind heart, too. Jungle animals cheering softly, happy music. And every time he helped a friend, his roar grew even stronger. Thanks for joining Leo on his jungle adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time for more fun and more roars.